The F70 error code on a Kenmore dryer indicates a communication problem between the user interface console and the main control board, with a faulty control board being the most common cause. To fix this issue, start by checking the wiring. Unplug the dryer, pull it away from the wall, and remove the main top by unthreading its supporting screws. Inspect the wiring around the control board for any damage or loose connections, and replace or repair any damaged wires. Reinstall the main top and plug the dryer back in to see if the error code persists. If it does, replacing the control board may be necessary. To do this, unplug the dryer, remove the main top, and unthread the screws holding the control board's mounting bracket. Disconnect the wire harness connections to the control board. Then unthread the screw holding the control board to its mounting bracket, and depress the mounting tab to remove the board. Next, align the new board to the mounting bracket and secure it using the mounting screw. Reconnect the wire harnesses. Secure the mounting bracket to the dryer's frame, and reattach the main panel. Finally, plug the dryer back in and check if the error code is still present.